All right, I'm just finishing up, cleaning up from what I think was a successful repair of the XB100. And as I was going to put the tools away, I discovered something. Now, everybody knows Ted talks guitars and life, and everyone knows that he has the world's largest screwdriver. I, however, might possibly have the world's smallest screwdriver. So, yeah. For context, there's a guitar pick that's been warped. So there you go. So, yeah, when I got the solderless pots that I first tried to repair this with, it came with this little thing, and I just held on to it as a novelty because it actually ended up the only thing out of that kit that actually worked. So there you go. Little curiosity for you. And Ted, if you want to add this to your collection, just if you watch this video, let me know and I'll get it to you, and you can have the matched pair, so to speak. All right, anyway, that's it for me.